Fishing trip yet?
No kidding. Yessah. Well, hello. Boom. Aloha guys, welcome back for another video with your boy Dremix. We got Dylan, Wine Eye Banger, Alaska boy smoking the cig, Yessah Fishing. We got Bradda Brian from Yessah Fishing, and then we're gonna meet up with Ohanasportfishing, Bradda Dave. Let's go. He has hit us up. He has invited us for a mental boat trip. We're gonna send it. I can't hope the bathroom opens because I got a smoking duru. Or just jump in and follow the water, feed the huggies. It's a beautiful day
so far, right?
Dude, thank you so much for hitting us up. And
absolutely.
Yeah, dude,
absolutely.
awesome.
No, we loved fishing with you guys on the shore that day. And this is what we do. We're better at this than that. So, or we should be anyway, right? We're gonna just kind of cruise right outside the harbor, and then these guys are gonna have a little competition. We draw on a reef fish. Best reef fish then sits in the chair first. So this is Carrie and this is Valerie. Valerie's my girlfriend and the captain, and Carrie's our legendary deckhand.
Right on. What's up, guys? Thank you.
Bro, I've never been in a boat like this before. Holy crap! Look at the couch inside here.
Bro, we can live in this thing.
Oh, would you step in like luxury right now?
Jeez.
This is incredible, man.
We got a freaking chair. We got a freaking couch. We got a freaking thing.
Great to have new life experiences.
Wow. It is a beautiful day in Hawaii that the Lord has made. Oh, so stoked. Cork! There's a cork in the water. Cork! We're going out with the cool kids.
We'll drop it about 35 fathoms. I like to put squid on. Also choose one of these grubs and put it on one of the hooks as well. J21, you guys are fishing them, they're awesome. Basically, whoever gets the best reef fish and we can vote on it, we'll sit in the big chair first when we get the big fish.
Sounds good.
Okay, all right, cool. There's Augie too. So
unfortunately.
Who's up first? You want to go first?
Yeah, you guys. You got bait, sashimi, whatever you call it. We got what, 2 dropper loops?
Yeah.
Sick, grubs. 18 fathoms. Yeah. All right, who can put out the first fish? Oh, I thought you had something. You got a lizard fish, babe. Oh, Roger. Hollows.
Squid's going down.
Let's see.
Squid luau.
Let's see. Woo! Come on, bottom. There we go. Get it? No, it's getting a lot of light. Yeah, let me check this thing. I cannot be going to different zones and catching the same fish.
He master huggy whisper.
Oh, bugger is
Right.
Steve. It's like a gun.
Magic sabiki.
Oh yeah, well, it's just a sabiki. I call it sabiki.
I thought you said magic stick.
Yeah, I know, we do.
The magic stick.
What? Running is super necessary.
Bugger idea. You guys need somebody to drive your 4-wheel drive. You still have it.
Even if it's only 2-wheel drive, I still 4-wheel drive.
Awesome, boy.
4-wheel drive on tricycle, Roger. There we go, switch it up, give it to Bradda Daikon. Oh, Dailon, let's go.
Oh!
Yeah, you.
Oh! I think it came off.
Ah, it came off. Yeah, 40 pounders. Oh, Captain showing us how it's done.
I hope so.
Captain Steve. Yeah, you.
Oh, Dylan on the last.
Yeah, you still got him. Well, what? We need the gaff.
We need the gaff. Got the Philly
I
club.
get a radio, cuz radio. Here's our gaff. Yeah, fish right there, baby. TDD. That's super invasive. Yeah, You want a head stomp it or head kick it? Right now, let's go.
That's a nice one. Nice job.
Alright, halftime. Guys, I feel so blessed right now. For real, all glory goes to God for sure.
Well, this game for you guys. All of it. There's one of every one of these for both channels. And then these big things. And I fished this disco yesterday, got whacked, but whatever it was got away. So,
well, right on.
Yeah, they're pretty sweet.
Bruh, Bradda didn't hate. Mahalo. Bruh, Bradda didn't hate. You the man. Let's take a look, guys. Let's see what we got. Yes, this must be for you. Oh, Dremix. I see my name. This is what came in a care package from Bradda Dave, J21. So this is what we got. We got 3 21 grams. What? 6 28 grammers. 340 or 445 grams. Sweet. I can't thank you guys at J21 enough. We are officially going for big game. Dylan is the first one because he caught the best fish today.
Push back, slide back, and slide forward. There you go. Okay. Remember how he slid back and forth?
Yeah.
Push back. Careful you don't get your fingers in around where the line is, alright? You're going to use your legs for that rather than your arms.
Right.
Okay. So one hand goes here, the other perfect right there. You're going to be nice a line on that later on. I'm going to play the role of the fish.
Okay.
I'm pretty smart fish, you won't be able to fool me, alright?
Roger that. We just finished our class with the cat. He just taught us how to work the chair and stuff and know what we gotta do because apparently when you catch big fish, it's a lot different than catching hoggy. We got whales. We got pilot whales. Oh wow, there's a load of pilot whales. Holy crap, there's a lot of them. Hopefully you guys can see them. Now it's the waiting game. Sit back and relax. So the captain said we're about 900 fathoms, about 5,000 feet. Pretty deep. Alright, get in the rig. Oh wait, it's a secret, top secret. You guys cannot see this. It's Ohana Sport style. Oh, hello, ladies.
Oh, hello. Oh, you got a lady. Go on here with the long hair.
2020 is going down the hole. We go in pandemic, we gotta do it. And now we gotta do it in Hurricane Douglas. That guy he got to quarantine for 14 days before he make his way over to Hawaii.
That's a J21 Lures head.
Oh, Roger. Bradda Dave is providing.
Yeah.
Oh, Captain. What's up, Cap? There you go, boy. Yeah, there we go. Pull up, and then you go down and you reel. Go down and reel at the same time. Down and reel. Pull up. There we go. Put on somewhere. And then I'll reel as you're going down. Reel as you're going down at the same time. There we go.
Oh, yeah. Still there? Yeah. Flying like crazy.
Yeah, you. Ohanasportfishing. Let's go.
Let's go.
Live action, boys. Here comes. I get the gaff right here. I get the gaff. Gaff Master Flex. Gaffing the fish to bring them in. Let's go, boy. But tired. Look, I'm sweating. You bought my. Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Nice job.
Big Otano.
Yeah, Dylan.
Right on, Dylan. How you feel, man?
Tired.
Yeah, he needs some milk. Yes.
Dylan, man, that was great. That only took you
That was
6
awesome,
minutes,
bro.
Oh.
Let's go, my man. Yeah, I kind of like sample this one.
So you can get wax on.
I bet, bro, I bet.
Outside.
Fish on. Oh, someone.
Mike, Mike. Yes, sir, Mike.
Touch the drag a little bit.
Touch the drag.
Yes, sir, boy. Oh, on. Yeah. Let's go.
Drag. It's not a hoggy.
It ain't a hoggy.
It ain't a hoggy.
If it is, it better be 20 pounds.
It's not here, boys. Right? We're bringing the good luck.
Ohanasportfishing.
Yeah. Double hook up, guys.
There we go,
Ohanasportfishing. Nice job, Mike. Yes, sir. Crushing. Action. Yeah. Oh.
That's in the blue. There we go. Goes, about to run.
What is that?
Oh yeah.
Mango.
Nice one. Nice Shibi.
Yeah, you drink.
Let's go. Right on the treble. Little cookie cutter. Bradda Dave. Mahalo for
Right.
bringing us up.
Absolutely,
I'll leave it, man.
Thank you so much for coming out.
Well, you guys, if you ever want to come out here to Hawaii, or if you're a local and you want to go out fishing on a boat, do a charter full service, half day, full day, one whole 24 hours, maybe not 24 hours, but if you do want to do that, please hit up Ohanasportfishing Adventures. They're legit. I mean, look at this. It's beautiful. It's so sick. Look at that. He's having so much fun. But seriously, you guys, hit up Bradda Dave, Captain Steve. They are legit. Hit them up. Ohanasportfishing Adventures. Oh, action! Yes, all boys. Is that?
Yeah, he got it. Yeah, and Dylan, you're coming in. Nice. Woohoo!
You bite that?
Oh, it's nice.
Freaking little teeny one too bite, man. Aku are strong.
Yeah. Yes,
Oh.
Good job.
We have now made full circle, boys.
Yes, oh boy.
Awesome.
We're gonna jump in for the next seat.
Yeah,
One, two, three, show.
1, 2, 3, show.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, show.
Hey!
1, 2, 3, show. 1, 2, 3, show.
Oh my God.
All right, it's getting intense now.
I'm all sweating now.
Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, show. 1, 2, 3, show.
Are you on Bears? How's it good? How's it good? Yes, sir. Got the butterfly jig going now. Oh, real fast. Oh, real heavy.
You hit the bottom. Boom. Get it off the bottom. Once you at the bottom,
Oh, okay.
bam. Get it off the bottom.
Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Right there.
Yes, sir. Okay. Good try, Dylan. Like going, boss. Action.
That one's gone.
I swear, it felt like it was jigging for like 2 hours, but it's probably gonna be like 10 minutes, and I'm good with this jig.
All right, my shoulder's dead.
But that jigging game is not to be messed with. It is nuts. It's 8 ounces, gnarly. That's all. We're heading back. The day has come to an end. It's an epic fishing mish, epic experience. Such a good time. Didn't want to spend my Saturday doing anything else but this. There we go, brother man. Gonna fillet the fish for us because he's on hammer. That's the guitarra.
In Japan, that'd be big money on the table. Like little piece, little teeny plate, big money. It's no shelf life to get it there.
Ah,
Shelf life, it doesn't last. Tough head.
Otan. Mori Shintaro. Shintaro. He said this is mean sashimi. Otaro. Oh my gosh. Oh.
See the color of that meat?
I had such an amazing time, you guys. Bradda Dave, Captain Val, Captain Steve, and the legendary deckhand Carrie. Big mahalo for taking very good care of me and my cousin and our friends. We had a blast. Ohanasportfishing, they are no joke. They had drinks, snacks, and fresh fruit ready for us to feel us start our day. The otaro and the shibi was so delicious. I cannot wait for our next trip with Bradda Dave. You guys, don't forget to hit that like button and the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Aloha, mahalo, and until next time, shoot.